The ZZA 27-inch curved is the ultimate game changer for anyone who wants to level up their gaming experience. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite games, with every detail rendered in stunning clarity. That's what this monitor delivers. This isn't just a fancy monitor. It's a total upgrade over the standard flat-screen experience. The 1800R curvature screen wraps around your field of view, creating a more immersive experience that feels like you're inside the game itself. You'll feel the rush of adrenaline as fast-moving targets become crystal clear, and your reaction time improves dramatically. But what really sets this monitor apart is its lightning-fast performance. With a whopping 280Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, every frame is rendered in silky smooth motion. This means you can take on even the most demanding games with confidence, knowing that nothing will get lost in the noise of fast-paced action. And don't worry about screen tearing or stuttering, the ZZA 27-inch curved has got you covered there too. With AMD FreeSync Premium technology, your graphics card and monitor work together seamlessly to eliminate those pesky artifacts, giving you a smooth gaming experience without any interruptions. But it's not just about raw performance. This monitor is also designed with professional-grade color accuracy in mind. The 100% sRGB color gamut coverage ensures vibrant, true-to-life hues that will make your graphics and games look simply stunning. And with a 4000:1 high contrast ratio, you'll be able to see every detail from bright highlights to deep shadows. But what really sets my teeth on edge is the lack of blue light filtering in most monitors these days. It's like they're intentionally trying to mess with our eyes. Not this monitor, though. With built-in blue light filtering and flicker-free tech, you can enjoy extended gaming sessions without sacrificing your eye health. One of the things I love about this monitor is its flexibility when it comes to connectivity options. You get 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports for easy multi-device hookups, making it perfect for gamers who want to connect their console, PC, and streaming device all at once. And if you want to customize your viewing experience even further, this monitor is compatible with third-party stands or arms that offer even more adjustability over the stock mount. It's like having a super high-tech gaming station right in your own home. In conclusion, the ZZA 27-inch curved is an absolute powerhouse of a monitor that will take your gaming experience to new heights. With its immersive curved screen, lightning-fast performance, and professional-grade color accuracy, you'll be hooked from day one. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to level up your gaming setup. Check the link below for the best price.